Hi, welcome back to Bull Bear Trader. So for this video, I'm going to talk about the S&P 500 edition and usually how it looks for the stock at least a month out after they got added. Okay, so first I will talk about coin. So let me see. So coin, it was added May 19, right? So May 19, what was it? All right, so May 19, looked like from here, it did bounce a little bit, but for the next month or so, you can see it's actually moved sideways. So for coin, it did not really, the prices didn't really move much until June. Okay. Now, if we look at the trade desk, trade desk is bad. July 18. Well, you can see the drop here from the earning. But if we go back to July, okay, so July 18 was added from here to a month out to August. Well, look like we are a big drop, even though it actually bounced up maybe like 10% after the inclusion. But when the news came out, I think it actually jumped 6 to 7%, just like the other two this week, which we will talk about. All right, block. July 23 block. So July 23 is here. So from here to a month out, August, it's actually came down about, let's see, 78, about 5%. Okay. Next is interactive brokers. Interactive August 28. August 28. So around here. And so 62 right now is end up at 60. So you can see for those four, the past 4 months, 3 to 4 months, they didn't do much, right? Now let's talk about Robinhood. Robinhood, it jumped 6% after market, after the news. So it's 107. Friday closed 101. If we look here, 101, 107. Okay, and let me do a quick if we look here, it is actually on a downtrend. All right, and most likely we might see it come down a little bit more. Short term is actually oversold, long term is still overbought. So we might see it's gonna come down more after Monday. Let's say it is open maybe 107 or 110. I mean 108, 109 right here. we might see it come down from here, come down to 100 to test the trend line support right here. Okay, and then it might even come down even lower to 91 before a bounce, or from here it can bounce up after this, right? This is just a scenario that I'm seeing. So for Hood, Robinhood, it might have more downside to go. And so here is the next level, and the one after that, probably it could be around 77 to 78. Okay, so those are the level that we need to watch. Or it can come up here after the pullback. So we will have to check back and see how it is. All right, for app loving, so it's still hugging the support here, bounce, and then coming back. It tested this line right here, was the last high. So most likely we will have a pullback to at least 450. Okay, so after hours on Friday, it went up to 521, 6%. So 521. Okay, let's draw a quick trend line. 521 is right here. So let me check this out. You can see it's right at the trend resistance. Okay, so if it come down, I don't know when, maybe in a week or so, it pull back, it will come down to 465. Okay, and then we might have a bounce like this, and then we will see if it will form a, here, let me show you. So imagine this is the U, right? And then the pullback, and then here is a cup and handle. Then maybe after this, it will bounce higher. But for the short term, I see a pullback. All right. So that is the only two stock that got included last Friday. So I just want to go through them and show you what the past 4 stocks that got included and how they perform. But from seeing those 4 before, most likely we have sideways or a little bit of downside to go. So don't really have to buy into the hype. Just look at the chart and see how it is, and buy accordingly. But if you see a pullback into a good level, then yeah, I would buy if it come back around this area. Thanks everybody. Please hit a like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.